Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your background in the Zoom Workplace mobile app. Let's get started. First, open your Zoom app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. To change your background, you need to be inside a meeting, so tap New Meeting to start one or tap Join and enter a meeting ID. Once you are in the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the More option, then at the bottom with the three dots. Here you can see tap on More. Now tap on Background and Effects. You will see some background options like a beach, office or plain colors. Tap any background you like and it will instantly change behind you. Want to use your own image? Tap the plus icon. Sign to upload a photo from your gallery. Pick one and Zoom will set it as your background. Once you choose your background, tap X or back to return to the meeting. Now your background looks great and you are ready to sign. That's it. You have just changed your background in the Zoom Workplace on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.